Getting yourself locked up for an exam, studying for days in a same little corner is a temporary harmful detachment. You're upset with your friends that they don't include you in anything, they aren't treating you the way they should. So you decide to break all the friendship from them and talk rudely or not talk at all to other people in order to not get hurt. But is this really what you want? It's not a detachment, it's a temporary thing to escape your emotions. The more you ignore it, you're gonna have a breaking point. You think you did everything right, yet things aren't in your favor. If you think about doing these things instead of acknowledging your emotions, navigating through your problems, you're causing more harm to yourself. When we think about detachment, we often consider it about physical distance from things that hurt you. But that's not the case at all. It all starts from our mind. It's about having a healthy boundary with people who drag you into unnecessary chaos, always talks negative. You should have a clear perspective about what kind of people you want to associate with. People around you can either break you or make you only if you allow them to know everything inside your mind. You can literally decide what people know about you. So preserve your plans and next moves. Your privacy is a treasure. Have you ever found yourself announcing something that to your friends that you're going to start gym, you're gonna do this, you're gonna have a painting class or study hard for next exams? And then you hear so many opinions, some might disappoint you, and you think about changing your mind. Or sometimes you start doing it, but you're not consistent. You know why? It's not because you're lazy or don't have talents. It's simply because you need validation from the people around you. You're doing things based on their opinions. You're giving them power to make your choices, and that's the reason you end up feeling miserable. You don't realize this, but you're giving the control of your life to the people around you, and detachment is about taking that control of your life in your hands, not announcing things and doing it regularly because you like it. It's about protecting your peace, not letting the world know what you did this morning, why you made that decision, not letting others' opinion influence your decision, taking stand for your values and what you believe in, prioritizing your work and not doing things to please anybody. If your goals are different and you don't find anyone you can talk about it, then take the mentorship online. There are amazing teachers in every profession you can find online. Just find your own way. Do things what makes you feel right. Don't change your goal because it's not popular in your group or nobody thinks it's cool. You're not doing it for that. You're doing it for self because you like it. Don't talk intelligence with the fool who don't want to understand your vision. The way you build this invisible protective layer to protect yourself with people who influence you in the wrong way, the same goes with non living things. You build discipline with things to detach yourself from overusing and getting distracted, like your phone. Have a set time that your screen time shouldn't go beyond this hour. You'll hang out outside for a certain period of time because you have other important things to do. You'll have this cheat meal only if you did this workout properly. You don't have to completely ban things from your life. You just need a balance, especially in your teenage years. Enjoy, live in a moment, have fun, but don't compromise it with your important things.